everyone has a dream to do the perfect wheel pose or the chakrasana. Hey everyone, I am Asa and you are watching Healthy Lifestyle. So today we'll talk about the preparatory pose of chakrasana, how to practice chakrasana within just 7 days. So before starting the practice, make sure your body is properly warmed up to curve your spine. Surya Namaskar is the best warm-up exercise. I already uploaded my last video on Surya Namaskar. You can go and have a look. So basically, chakrasana involves 3 main things, and I will suggest you some of the poses which will affect or strengthen these 3 parts. So today's video is divided into 2 parts. Part 1, where we will practice the beginner's yoga pose for first 3 days, and in part 2 we will practice the little bit advanced pose for next 3 days. Now we'll start the practice of cat and cow pose. Both the palms on the floor while inhaling, neck up, and while exhaling, neck down. Now gradually switch to Bhujangasana. Lay down flat on your mat and slowly raise up by inhaling in Bhujangasana. Keep holding Bhujangasana. Now fold your legs at the back towards your hip and slowly raise your arms, chest and legs. Keep holding Dhanurasana. Now gradually come back. Lie down flat on your back. Now we'll switch to bridge pose. Bring your legs towards your hips, hands on the foot and slowly raise your hip. Come back and we'll switch to Ustrasana. Gradually bring your one by one hand to the foot and try to see back. Now slowly come back by placing your hand on the stomach and relax in child pose. Now we'll practice how to do with the wall. Place your hands to the wall. After holding for 1 minute, go down. Again holding after 1 minute, go down. Keep your hands straight and you can hold each and every pose for 1 minute. Similarly, come back. If you will keep practicing each and every pose for 1 minute, you can easily do chakrasana within 1 week. Now how to practice with a ball. Sit on the ball and lay down. Place your hands to the floor and try to touch the head on the floor and then foot. Now gradually give the support and make her up. Now I'll tell you how to arch back. Hold the hand properly and extend to the back. Don't force. Keep your limits and gradually come back. You can also keep your arms straight if you are comfortable. Now we'll practice rolling because it will support your back and relax your spine. So in upcoming video, I'll tell you how to practice chakrasana with proper benefits and the mistake which usually people do while practicing chakrasana. Till then, take care, stay healthy. Bye bye.